In this video, we're going to show you how to understand Claude Pro versus Claude Max subscription differences. When using Claude, choosing the right subscription plan is important because it directly affects how much you can use the system before hitting limits. Claude offers multiple tiers, but the two most commonly compared plans are Claude Pro and Claude Max. At first glance, both plans look similar because they give access to the same core AI models and features. However, the real difference is not what you can do, it's how much you can do. This means your experience mainly depends on usage capacity, session limits, and how often you hit rate restrictions during your workflow. The good news is that once you understand the difference in capacity, choosing between Pro and Max becomes much easier. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand which plan fits your workflow and when upgrading actually makes sense. So, let's get started. The first method is to understand Claude Pro. Claude Pro is designed for regular users who work with Claude on a daily basis but do not constantly hit usage limits. It provides standard access to Claude models with moderate usage capacity, making it suitable for tasks like writing, studying, light coding, and general productivity work. Most users find Claude Pro sufficient unless they are consistently running large or repetitive workloads. Now, let's move to Claude Max. Claude Max is designed for heavy users who frequently hit usage limits on Pro. Instead of introducing new features, Max increases your available usage significantly, allowing longer sessions, more messages, and higher workload capacity before hitting restrictions. This makes it more suitable for professional developers, automation-heavy workflows, or users who rely on Claude for continuous daily work. To summarize the key difference, Claude Pro equals standard usage capacity for regular workflows. Claude Max equals expanded usage capacity for heavy and continuous workflows. Both plans use the same underlying models and features, but Max gives you more room to work before hitting limits. Another important point is that Max becomes more valuable when your workflow is interrupted by usage caps on Pro. If you rarely hit limits, upgrading may not provide noticeable benefits. In most situations, this is all you need to decide. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, Claude Pro is designed for regular users with standard usage needs. Second, Claude Max is designed for heavy users who frequently hit limits on Pro. And third, both plans offer the same features. The difference is mainly usage capacity. Remember that choosing between Pro and Max is less about features and more about workflow intensity. If your work depends on long, uninterrupted sessions, Max can significantly improve your experience. If you're a casual or moderate user, Pro is often more than enough to get the job done efficiently. Understanding your usage patterns is the key to choosing the right plan without overspending or running into unnecessary limits. And that's how to understand Claude Pro versus Claude Max subscription differences. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.